The multi-function handle allows the operator to operate over 85 to 90% of the tractor functions without removing your hand from the handle. One of the new features of the multi-function handle is it has 4 function buttons, which can be configured from a menu in the AFS Pro 1200 screen to add additional functions to the handle. Buttons and corresponding functions. Auto Guidance Engage. This button will engage the auto guidance system and necessary information entered in the guidance system. Press the button anytime guidance is being used. Configurable buttons 5, 6, 7, and 8. Each button may be assigned to different functions using the display. By default, pressing this button will prompt the configurable button screen in the display. Gear or speed up, down, CVX drive. Pushing this button up will change the speed target up to the next highest preset target. Note that there are only 3 targets available, and they're programmed by the operator by rolling the orange thumb wheel forward or backwards while in a selected target speed. Pushing the button down and releasing it will change the speed target down 1 slower target. Remember that there are only 3 targets. More on that later. Power drive. Pushing this button up and releasing it will shift the transmission up 1 gear. Pushing this button up and holding it will continue shifting the gears up until it's released. Pushing the button down and releasing it will shift the transmission down 1 gear. Pushing the button down and holding it will continue to shift the transmission down until it's released. Shuttle shift forward. Commands the shuttle process for the transmission from reverse to forward. Shuttle shift reverse. Commands the shuttle process for the transmission from forward to reverse. Hitch express raise. Raises the hitch from its working position to its upper limit setting. Holding the second function button on the back of the multifunction handle at the same time will command the front hitch, if equipped, to raise to its upper limit setting. Hitch express lower. Lowers the hitch from the raised position to its preset lower limit. Holding the second function while pushing this button will command the front 3-point, if equipped, to express lower. First remote valve extend. Extends flow as long as this button is pressed. Retract. Retracts flow as long as this button is pressed. Second remote valve extend. Extends flow as long as this button is pressed. Retract. Retracts flow as long as this button is pressed. Thumb wheel. This wheel is used for increasing or decreasing target field operating APM speed for a power drive transmission, and on a CVX drive transmission is used to increase or decrease set field speeds. Its use will be discussed more in another video. Step switch or the headland management control or HMC button. Press this button to trigger the HMC function. Record and play must be commanded through the display. The switch can also be used to turn on auto guidance or to toggle between constant engine speed 1 and 2.